In a small town lived a boy named Arjun. His father was a tea vendor who worked from early morning until late at night, selling tea near the railway station. Arjun often helped his father after school, carrying cups, cleaning the stall, and serving customers. Life was tough, but Arjun's heart was full of big dreams. While serving tea to passengers, he noticed how people loved sitting in clean, beautiful cafes. One day, he said to his father, "Papa, one day I'll open my own cafe, a place where people will sit happily and enjoy." His father smiled with pride but said, "Dream big, my son, but never stop working hard." Arjun studied during the nights under a street light and saved every small coin he could. Many people laughed at him and said, "A tea seller's son wants to open a cafe. Impossible." But Arjun didn't let their words stop him. After finishing school, he learned about business and coffee making from free online courses. He continued helping his father while planning his future. Slowly, he saved enough money to rent a small shop. With his father's support and his own creativity, Arjun opened a tiny cafe. At first, very few customers came, but Arjun never gave up. He improved the menu, kept the place clean, and treated every customer with warmth. Soon, his cafe became popular, and people came from nearby towns to taste his special tea and coffee. Years later, Arjun expanded his cafe into a chain of outlets. Those who once laughed at him now admired his success. Moral: no dream is too big if you have courage, patience, and hard work. Your background doesn't define your future. Your determination does.